Hello and welcome back to the next tutorial in this series. Okay, today I just wanted to go through this little short snippet and maybe we can do a little bit of animation on his face and on his head movements. So just with his head selected, I'm going to snap back to the beginning and press location, rotation, scale. Okay, so I'm going to just move it on. I'm just going to roll the mouse wheel to zoom in just so I can get a better idea of a second. So there I have a second, and I might just rotate sideways and kind of back because he's in a bit of shock. Okay, and eye, location, rotation, scale. And again with the body we can do a little bit of movement. So just snap back to the beginning. Press I, location, rotation, scale, and just press and hold the right mouse button and just drag this forward. And I might just roll the mouse wheel just to zoom out. Just right click to cancel just to see which way I'm going to go. So he's maybe just rotate him back slightly, just with his head. And press I, location, rotation, scale. I might just grab this and press G and just push up as his hand is coming over. Yeah, so I'm just going to scrub back again to the beginning. And with this selected, I'm going to press I and left select location, rotation, scale. I'm going to just scrub on as he's moving back and press G and move it up. Left click and press I and left select location, rotation, scale. Again, you could do the same for other parts if we had a little bit more in the way of facial expressions, for example. So okay, so I might press I here just to insert one and just maybe move forward and select this and drag it. So left select and drag it forward. Okay, that looks pretty good. Press I and that'll insert that there. Okay, so he's just going to roll the mouse wheel just to zoom out. Okay, I might just rotate his head down. He's looking kind of in an odd direction. Just going to press and hold the middle mouse button just to rotate around. Just going to press 7 actually for top view just so I can see which. Yeah, okay. Just going to select his head and maybe just going to select his head here and select this white. Okay, that might be a better angle. I might just press I now for location, rotation, scale. Okay, and just scrub on and to here and just drag that back a little bit just so, and drag it forward. Okay, and press I, location, rotation, scale. Okay, that should do. And just while we're still in scene B, I'm just going to come over to the render panel, the tab here, left click, and I'm going to come down here to output. And I think it might be a good idea to change the render location, the output folder, just so we can bring these in separately and blend them together. So I'm just going to left select here. It gives us the option, and instead of selecting A, I'm going to create a new folder and just type scene B and press enter. Okay, and select this and accept. Left click to accept that. Okay, you can make as much alterations to his reaction as you like there. So I'm just going to press Control S, save that, and come up here and switch back to scene A. And again, if you scrub, I'm just going to roll the mouse wheel. My computer is running a bit slow, otherwise I would play this through and just look at the timing, but I'm going to do a quick sample render to make sure that it's coming along at the right kind of pace. So you can scrub along and do exactly what we did previously. You can make some alterations to his arms, etc. But for the moment, I think that's going to do me. So what I want to do is create, just going to snap it back to the center there. So, and come back here. So this is the end of the first scene. So what I might do is come up here to scene A and press plus. Okay, and I'm going to again select full copy, and I'm just going to click in here and rename this to scene A, or sorry, scene C, and enter. And okay, I'm just going to come up here to the start, left click and drag this right up just to the end here. 359 should do me. And I'm just going to drag the end out. Okay, just going to press, just going to roll the mouse wheel just to zoom out here. And I'm just going to switch off. I'm just going to press and hold the middle mouse button. I'm just going to switch off that layer with the outside exterior walls. Okay, so again, this is when we're going to switch back from the close-up, and we're going to rotate the machine now just so it rotates 90 degrees, but I think I'm going to leave it here for the moment. I'm just going to press Control S again, save this, and that's going to be it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.